Hello friends, welcome back to Poongodi's channel. Today I'll teach you Pachis work, which is the traditional embroidering in Andhra Pradesh. This is a very beautiful stitch which we put in squares. Insert the needle near the corner point in one line and put a stitch diagonally to the next line near the end point. Insert the needle and take it out straight in the same line near the end point like this. Now again go diagonally to the next line and insert near one point and take it out near the other point like this, and again in the next line insert the needle near the end point and take it out near the next point in the same line, and for the last stitch you should insert the needle below the second thread and take it out like this and insert near the end point. Now we have finished all the 4 diagonal stitches in one square. The same way we shall stitch in the other squares. I have drawn the squares in 3-4 centimeters as sides. You can take even 1 centimeter. And we shall put the same stitch in each square. 4 stitches in each square. You can use this stitch for borders in your embroidering work, and in your blouses you can put this as a neckline stitch or in straight lines in the hands. See, after finishing the 3 stitches, the 4th stitch we should insert inside the second thread and go back. In this same method I have finished completely, and now you can take a contrast color thread and put a cross stitch in each square like this. I hope you are clear about the stitch now. We shall put cross stitches in each square. If you have any doubts, please comment. If you like this video, share with your friends. If you have missed my previous videos, go to the links in the description. In this same method, we shall finish cross stitches in all the squares. This is a very pretty stitch which we can put for borders. In this same method I have finished completely. If you have not subscribed for Poongodi's channel so far, please subscribe. Also click the bell icon nearby so that you will get notifications for my future videos. Thank you for watching.